Mm. Yeah. Good morning. It's shoot day. So welcome back to my channel. Today I am shooting a promo of my Mommy and Me minis. Sorry for the background noise. I had to step out the studio because the kids are playing. But I have a mama in studio today whom I photographed before. She's in studio with her two little ones. She's currently getting her makeup done, so I'm gonna do some behind the scenes of that for you guys so you can see that as well. But this is going to be the shoot for the floral setup that I did, the DIY floral like couch situation. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it so that you can go and see it. But right now, I just stepped out for a second just to film my intro. But I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys inside so that you can see the kids, them playing. You'll be able to see my son too, because he's here. And then I'll show you like some behind the scenes of like her getting her makeup done, them fully dressed, all that good stuff. So you guys stay tuned. It's a video. So here we have it. This is Videla, that is Mom's name, with her two small little ladies, the youngest being Aziza and her oldest being Amina. And here you can see me just getting the ladies ready for their shoot. Aziza happens to be 3. And when shooting with 3-year-olds or just toddlers in general, at some point they become a little restless. They don't really want to be dealt with. And of course, after sitting through Mom doing makeup, getting dressed, things of that nature, she was ready to play. Like, she just wanted to do her own thing, which is totally fine. That's what all toddlers want to do at that point. So just a tip, if you haven't worked with small children very much, let them leave. At some point you'll realize that I allow Aziza to leave and then I bring her back because I'm like, okay, let's get the rest of her pictures then, and then we can go ahead and we can focus on Mom and Amina. So I did provide all of the gowns for these ladies. So Aziza has on one of my little lady gowns, and then Amina happens to have on one of my older mom gowns. We just modified it a little bit to show less skin. We draped some of the arm pieces right around her chest just to cover a bit more of her shoulders and her arms, just to make it a little more age appropriate. And here you can see me working really quick just to get as many authentic moments with Mom and her daughter as possible. This way we can go ahead and we can be done with Aziza and allow her to play. You can see her over there in the corner playing with the balloon with my son. He's a great entertainment, and this is why I love to bring my son to shoots with smaller children, because he really does an amazing job with keeping them occupied while I'm working with Mom. I do love that she was able to bring the authenticity out of each of her children during this shoot, and they all react to different things. Amina is very much girly. She likes the girly things. She likes to play around. She likes to model, as you guys will be able to see in just a second. So I brought Aziza back into the shoot for a second just because she had warmed up a little bit more, and you'll be able to see I get one of the biggest smiles. Like, look at that, adorable. And then here's Mom with Aziza. Aziza really loves to play. She loves the energy. So I love that Mom knows her babies and was able to bring out the best in each of them. And then enjoy the pictures at the end of this video.